Well, today Governor Murphy held what he said will be his final weekly COVID briefing. Happened on the heels of the state's school mask mandate being lifted as cases plummeted in classes and out.
Right. Well, this is showing that the Garden State is actually on the mend from the pandemic. So Pix 11's Andrew Ramos is live in Newark with more. Hey, Andrew.
That's right, guys, and we're live outside of University Hospital now. Just about 6 weeks ago, military personnel converged right here to help staff with an influx of COVID cases that at the time the hospital was dealing with such a overwhelming situation. Today, a very different story. The hospital announcing that they have 0 COVID cases. This is a huge milestone and a huge reason why the state is going in the direction that it's currently going in. Now, let's show you some video of Governor Murphy today, who held his final COVID briefing. Now, this is a pretty big day for him. He also announced that he will be lifting the public health emergency he put into place earlier this year. As we know, Monday marks the day when school mask mandate is finally lifted. While a vast majority of schools will be taking off the masks, districts like Newark and Patterson will keep them in place for the time being. Now, at today's briefing, the governor not only highlighted all the programs and initiatives his administration rolled out to help New Jersey residents during the darkest days of COVID, whether it was with housing, employment, or small business, but he also spent time on remembering the more than 30,000 lives lost in the Garden State to COVID, which turned emotional for the governor.
We honor them still. We honor each and every single one. Hard to believe. Of the more than 30,000 lives we've lost. So for all of them, let's do one final moment of silence.
Now, coming up at 5, we're going to have more on today's briefing, as well as we're going to hear from an expert as to why it's very important to stay vigilant despite the decline in cases. For now, we're live in Newark. I'm Andrew Ramos, Pix 11 News.